Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. Today I just wanted to make this quick video for you because Poshmark did send out an email this morning. It is from Manish, the Poshmark CEO, so it does have several important updates for you, and I wanted to kind of go over those and just make sure everyone is aware of this email and what it said in the email. Also, if you are interested in joining my share group, I am revamping it and relaunching it in a few days, so send me an email. It's poshbosshq@gmail.com if you are interested in participating in my share group. I created it a couple years ago to help people consistently share each other's listings, and it has just become a great thing, and people who are consistent with it are seeing great results from it. So if you're interested, again, send me an email and I will be in touch. Okay, so I'm just gonna go straight into the email. It says, "Dear Poshmark community, we are more than halfway through a challenging and unparalleled year, yet the resilience and perseverance of this amazing community has consistently served as a bright spot throughout it all. We're in this together, serving as a support system to uplift each other and hitting new business milestones along the way." The power of community. While we may be physically distanced, the need for community and connection has never been stronger, which is why I'm excited that we will still be able to gather for PoshFest this year, albeit virtually. As you may have seen, our 8th annual conference for entrepreneurs will take place October 2nd through the 3rd, 2020. We are working hard to make our first ever virtual conference as rewarding and valuable as our physical event. PoshFest 2020 will not only focus on ways that you can drive sales on Poshmark, but also opportunities for virtual networking and connection. In addition to the full ticketed experience, we'll be live streaming all main sessions for free to allow the entire community to participate. I can't wait to see your faces, something I've truly missed throughout this socially distant time, and to reconnect and focus on what it really means to be a community. Stay tuned for additional programming details, the full agenda, and more updates in the coming weeks. Then it goes into an update for USPS. It says, "USPS update. I also want to acknowledge the USPS shipping delays some of you are currently experiencing. USPS is an important and long-standing service provider to the Poshmark community. So far, we've experienced a limited number of delayed shipments compared to overall orders on Poshmark, and we are actively monitoring the situation to determine steps we can take to minimize any disruption to your businesses. Stay tuned to our website and USPS for updates." Tools to scale your business. We remain committed to helping you run a successful business so you can focus on what matters most: building your brand, serving your customers, scaling your businesses, and ultimately making more money. We've launched new tools to help you do just that. Draw attention to your closet with video. The entire Poshmark community throughout the US and Canada can now easily bring listings to life and discover new ways to connect with each other through Posh Stories. Save time with new listing features. A few months ago, we committed to making it easier for you to create listings and upload inventory. As a result, you can now copy any of your listings, instantly list sold items found throughout the platform, and reposh any past Poshmark purchases with one click. As promised, we also increased the number of photos per listing from 8 to 16 to allow even more opportunities to showcase your inventory. Coming soon. In the weeks and months ahead, we're excited to bring you highly requested offerings such as packing slips, which will allow you to keep track of all of the items you're shipping, the capability to print shipping labels in bulk, new cover shot filters, and we're still working hard to improve search functionality and access to sales metrics. We are dedicated to helping you succeed, and we will continue to focus on making Poshmark a place where you can thrive. In many ways, Poshmark was built to succeed during times like these, and I'm confident that as a community, we will persevere and come out stronger than before. See you at PoshFest 2020, Manish. Okay, so there are several key points in this email that I want to point out. The first thing being PoshFest. So PoshFest is going to be a virtual conference this year. eBay is kind of doing the same thing. They're having their little celebration. Poshmark is having PoshFest in a virtual way. I'm not sure what this is going to entail. I'm sure it will involve Zoom and people can interact with each other. However, to do that, you will have to pay for the premium access tickets. So Poshmark posted this little infographic on their Instagram the other day before the tickets went on sale. It's also on the PoshBoss website, which I will link down below. But basically, you can watch all of the main panels for free, but to get premium access and be able to do the Zoom meeting and interact and things like that, and also to get any swag or merch that they send out, you have to pay $25 for the ticket. So all of that information is on the PoshBoss website, which I will again link down below. So PoshBoss is virtual. I think this is a great thing so that people who might not be able to go to PoshBoss otherwise can experience PoshBoss for the first time. It's a great networking opportunity. Unfortunately, a lot of what PoshBoss is for networking, and that will not be able to be experienced this year. Hopefully we will all be able to see each other in person next year. That is what I am hoping for. I'm very much missing my conference trips. If you have never been to a networking conference like eBay Open or PoshBoss, I highly suggest that you plan to go once we are able to travel again. There's nothing like it. There's nothing like being around people who do what you do and who understand what you do. So, you know, a lot of people get really caught up in, oh, I didn't really learn a lot, this was stuff I already knew. You go for the networking. You go to be around people and to, you know, just network with people and meet each other in person and just relax and have a good time. It's not necessarily for learning like a ton of new information. It's more so for, you know, meeting your coworkers in person, so to speak. Next point I want to touch on is the USPS update. So it says to watch their website for any updates. Personally, I have not experienced too many delays with my Poshmark packages. I have with things that I've shipped first class. Things have been lost, things have been delayed. This is another reason why I love selling on Poshmark. Everything ships priority. So I have experienced very minimal problems. If you've experienced problems, definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know. Personally, I have not seen, you know, the worst things I've seen are just delays and things going in odd routes to different parts of the country. But other than that, I think, you know, other than taking just a little bit longer to get to their destinations, I feel like problems have been very minimal, as it says in the email. So new Poshmark features that are mentioned in this email, Poshmark stories, the video, what you know, it says draw attention to your closet with video. That is Posh stories. I think it's a great tool if you go on to a website like ASOS. They have videos for everything that they have listed for sale on their website, and I think it's a really great tool to be able to show customers items that you have for sale. I wish that we would be able to have videos in our listings to where, you know, we could add a video of the item that we're selling. I think that would be super helpful. But I think Posh Stories is a great step towards that direction. So the new listing features that he mentions in this email, my favorite one is the copy listing feature. I absolutely love it. If you need to, for some reason, relist something, it is so easy to just copy listing and it just comes right up. You don't have to screenshot pictures. You don't have to go looking for pictures. Everything just automatically copies to a new listing. And I have used it several times and it is amazing. I've also used the increased number of photos. I think that is really great too, because sometimes you just need more than 8 photos. The coming soon features I am super excited about. Personally, I probably will not be using the packing slips feature just because I don't use it on eBay. I feel like it's kind of a waste of paper. I stopped using that feature a long time ago and have not had any issues with not using packing slips. So I am excited to be able to print shipping labels in bulk, and if we could get better search capability, which is mentioned in here, I think that would be great. And sales metrics to be able to see like how many people are looking at a certain listing. And I really like looking at numbers on things, so I'm super excited to see them introduce new tools for that, because I would very much like to see more of, you know, sales numbers and views and things like that. So overall, I think this is a great email. I think I'm really excited for the new features that they have coming up. I'm really excited for PoshFest. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on attending the virtual PoshFest. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think it's going to be, you know, something that we all need in times like this, just to, you know, feel that sense of community. And I'm hoping that very, very soon we will all be able to travel and to get things back to some sense of normalcy. I really am looking forward to being able to go places again, and, you know, I hope we're getting towards that direction. So I just wanted to make you this video to update you guys on this email, make sure you saw it, and then lots of updates coming, so that's exciting. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.